Welcome to Odd Sounds and Silent Letters. Odd sounds. Odd sounds in English mean sounds that don't fit typical phonetic patterns of a language. Types of odd sounds: silent letters, digraphs, diphthongs, consonant clusters. Silent letters: K silent before N. B silent after M. W silent before R. H silent in some words. P silent before S. Observe the words. B silent. Dumb, thumb, climb, bomb, doubt. Letters in red in the given picture are silent letters. These are K silent letters: night, no, knee, knife, knit. Silent P: psychology, pneumatic, psychiatrist, termine, receipt. Silent W: wrong, right, right, wrist, hook. Silent letters with H: honest, hour, air, yap, hostel. Digraphs: a pair of letters that works together to represent a single sound. These are some digraphs. Here are some examples of vowel digraphs. These are some digraphs with E. EA words with EE sound. Seal, beam, peach, read. OU digraph with also. Out, loud, cloud. With long oo sound. U, group, souk. A sound. Thought, but. AI sound. Pain, mail, sail, wait, train. OO digraphs with oo sound. Boot, moon, food. With short oo sound. Book, look, flood and blood with a sound. Words with ee sound: see, be, knee, free, glee. OI digraphs: boil, coil, soil, voice, noise. Consonant digraphs: SH, CH, TH, PH and WH. Consonant digraphs of SH are given here. Some examples given with the pictures of consonant digraphs. These are CH, beach, chair, MB, comb, bomb, QU, quick, queen, etc. CH digraphs give K sound because of Greek influence on the words. These are the words with Ka sound. CH gives Cha sound also, like in chair. PH usually gives F sound like phone. TH gives Da sound and Tha sound. Given the words for you. GH silent like in night. Gives F sound. Enough. Gives Ga sound. Ghost. Here are some consonant blends. Example words with BL, CL, FL, etc. Here are some consonant clusters for you. STR, SPL, SPR, etc. are some consonant clusters. Read the consonant clusters given here. Here are vowel differences. Some vowels give long sounds and some are short sounds. Some other gives different sounds also. Here are the examples given for you. Follow the sounds of the words and observe the differences here. Single vowel produces a stable sound and diphthongs produces glided sounds. Sometimes same vowel produce different sounds like in cat and cake. Here are some words given for your exercise. Practice and get good marks in your examinations. All the best. Thank you. The end. Like, subscribe, and get continued.